So, the Moondrop Chu 3 is a budget wired IEM with a 10mm dynamic driver, detachable 0.78mm cable, and a compact metal shell, currently positioned around the $25 to $30 price range. The biggest thing the marketing doesn't tell you is that this isn't automatically a huge upgrade over other budget IEMs. Recent hands-on feedback describes the Chu 3 as bass-heavy with good impact, but also notes that the boosted mid-bass can reduce vocal clarity and detail compared with some competing models. The detachable cable is a welcome improvement, but accessories are fairly basic, and some reviewers have questioned whether the Chu 3 is competitive against similarly priced alternatives. So, should you buy the Moondrop Chu 3? If you want a small, bass-focused IEM for hip-hop, EDM, and pop, it could be appealing, but if you prefer vocals, detail, and a more balanced sound, I'd compare it with the competition first. Overall, the Chu 3 isn't a bad IEM, but the low price doesn't automatically make it the best choice in its category. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.